Welcome to TCI's DecisionLender 4 training series. This tutorial will explain the use of fee plans in DecisionLender 4. Fee plans are a schedule of fees that are to be paid to the lender, the dealer, or a third party. They will be automatically calculated for each application in DecisionLender based on the schedule entered by your system administrator. Fee plans are optional. Fee plans are created and uploaded into DecisionLender via a spreadsheet. Your initial fee plan will be set up by your project coordinator. A flat fee program will assign a flat fee amount to the dealer based on the amount financed. A flat fee amount can be a percentage of the amount financed or a specific dollar amount. Your company's system administrator is responsible for modifying your fee plans in DecisionLender. The system administrator is the person who controls the system settings for your DecisionLender site. Fee plans are associated to loan types. It is important to note that you should have your loan types created before you set up your fee plans. How to modify fee plans. To begin, log in to DecisionLender and then click on the Setup tab. Click on the Lender tab. Now click on the Fee Plans tab. The Fee Plans page will display. The pencil icon is the Edit button. Click on the pencil icon next to the desired fee plan. On the Edit Fee Plan page, make your changes. You may edit any field in the configuration section or on the spreadsheet itself. If you wish to add an additional tier to your fee plan, click on the plus sign next to Fee Plan Data. And an additional row will appear at the bottom of the spreadsheet. Note, if you want to add an additional column to your spreadsheet, it will require the field name to be mapped using the object model. Please refer to the Modify Fee Plans, Add Column section of the user manual. When adding a row or column, please ensure that all cells are populated. Click the Save button to save your changes. The user will receive a message that the fee plan was saved. Click the Back button to return to the Fee Plans page. To upload a new fee plan spreadsheet to an existing fee plan, click the Upload icon next to the desired fee plan. This new fee plan will overwrite the previous one. Click the Upload button to browse and select the new spreadsheet. Click the green Upload button to load the new spreadsheet into DecisionLender. Click the Save button to save your changes. A message will display indicating that the fee plan uploaded successfully. Remember, this new spreadsheet will automatically overwrite the previous one. To delete a fee plan, click on the Delete icon, which is the trash can, next to the plan you wish to delete. You will receive a message asking you to confirm your deletion. Click on the Confirm button. You will receive a message that the fee plan was deleted. Note, you cannot delete a fee plan that has already been put into use. This concludes the tutorial. If you need further assistance, you can contact TCI Client Support at 1-800-492-2001, option 3. Thank you for choosing TCI's DecisionLender.